One of the nice features about Windows 10 is that if you're looking for a setting, you simply need to click on the Windows Start menu and start typing what you're looking for. So to install a printer, start typing printer and then open printers and scanners. For a home computer, click the Add Printer or Scanner button. If you're lucky, you'll see your printer appear on this list. If it doesn't appear on the list, scroll to the bottom and then click the printer that I want isn't listed. The next option is to try the My Printer's a Little Older, Help Me Find It. Click Next and go through those prompts. If you have a wireless printer, you want to use the option that says Add a Bluetooth, wireless, or network discoverable printer. And then click Next and follow the prompts. And for both of those options, make sure that your printer is plugged in and powered on. If it is a wired printer, make sure it's plugged into your laptop. And if it's wireless, you may have to change a setting on the printer itself to make it discoverable to your laptop. So I hope that helps you get started with installing printers with Windows 10. Good luck.